in a wooden cabin nestled somewhere on the forest's very edge. Oh no, that's not going to be dystopia.
We have material.
That means we are starting tomorrow.
Is the box easy to assemble?
Yes, it's very easy. A really nice user-friendly system. Socks for the big boys.
It's kind of a bit of a thing, you know.
The laptop wouldn't flip over, and now we'll assemble it. The new one, bought 2 weeks ago. Reinforcement for what?
For a linear diffuser, which offers significantly higher performance than traditional anemostats. And because the volume of this particular room is quite substantial, we have to implement a proper system here, so that the whole thing makes perfect sense, as the saying goes.
Let's assume there are 6.5 meters to the summit.
We're going to show you what the situation looks like from the other side.
Well, look how beautifully it's presented.
Feel the breath of wind.
You can already feel the breeze, yes.
It's like a new house after a remodel.
Are you ready for the massive horde of fangirls about to engulf you?
I've been prepared for this for quite some time now. You're about to be connected to the HRV system.
Okay.
No? Sometimes a good ventilation is necessary.
Especially with such wind.
We searched for a heat recovery system installer for a long time. After reviewing various options, we chose Mr. Piotr Paruszewski's system. Seeing how easy it was to install, we decided to do it ourselves. Due to the unusual house design and the large volume of the living area, we needed advice from a reliable designer from O3 Ozone.
She didn't disappoint us and helped us successfully implement some really interesting solutions, such as the linear diffusers.
In one weekend, with the help of our friends, we managed to lay all the pipes. And then, while we were on a roll, we decided to go ahead and order a heat recovery ventilator, which we successfully installed the very next weekend, just in time to enter the competition. I think the biggest challenge we faced was installing the air intake and exhaust vents through the EPS pipes, which are quite rigid and thick. And in this type of house, you can't simply make a hole just anywhere you'd like.
Everything else went smoothly.
Oh, you've actually taken the wrong end there. It's not this end that you need, no, not this one.
Yes, absolutely, for sure.
It will get all tangled up there.
What is it? Which one?
Well, this is what you're choosing for yourself right here. It's definitely going to get all tangled up.
It's gonna get tangled.